keeping up with our motto that learning be a joy and teaching a pleasure. Here we are with a remote teaching and learning process to bridge the gap. Happy learning, students! Hello students, a warm welcome to all of you. My name is Neha Shetty from Thakur Vidya Mandir High School and Junior College. Here we are for subject Indoor Games and the topic for today is Carom Part 2. The topic included in this video is equipment, and the equipments are carom board, carom men, strikers, queen and powder. Carom board. The game is usually played on a board made of plywood. The dimensions of the standardized game is a 29 inches, that is 74 centimeters square, playing surface on a board of a lacquered plywood. The edges of the playing surface are bounded by bumpers of wood, and the underside of each pocket is covered by a net which is 10 centimeters square or larger. Carom men. Carom is played using small discs of wood or plastic known as carom men. These pieces, aside from the special queen, may also be known as seeds, coins, pawns, as in chess, or pucks. Carom men are designed to slide when stuck and are made with a smooth surface that slides easily when laid flat on the board. They are struck by the striker of a standard specification which is larger and heavier. A carom set contains 19 pieces and striker is not included in the three distinct colors, one for each player and another for the queen. The usual colors are white and black for the players and red for the queen. ICF approved pieces must have the diameter of no more than 3.18 cm and no less than 3.02 cm. The pieces must be between 7 and 9 mm thick. The pieces have a plain, rounded edge. The masses of the pieces must be between 5.0 and 5.5 gram. Strikers. Striker pieces are used to push the carom men and the queen across the board to the pockets. The carom striker normally weighs 15 grams. If the disc goes to the pocket or any kind of foul, the opponent can take one coin of foul maker and place anywhere on the board within the middle circle. While keeping the coin, player should first keep the coin on the board. After that, player can move the coin anywhere in between the circle without lifting the hand. The queen. The red disc is called the queen. It is the most valuable piece. During board setup, it is placed at the center of the circle. In accordance with the ICF rules, pocketing the queen adds 3 points to the player's total score. The dimensions of the queen must be the same as those of other carom men. The player must pocket the queen and subsequently pocket a carom man of player's own color. This is termed covering the queen. If by mistake a player puts a carom man of the opposite team in the pocket after pocketing the queen, then the queen has to be placed in the center of the board again. If the player fails to pocket a subsequent carom man, the queen is replaced at the center of the board. If the player pockets his or her opponent's last carom man before pocketing the queen, then it's a foul. If a player puts the queen and the carom man of the player's own color in the pocket with the one use of the striker, the queen is automatically covered no matter which went first. Powder. Fine grained powder is used on the board to enable the pieces to slide easily. Boric acid powder is the most commonly used for this purpose. The EU has classified boric acid as a serious health hazard and states that this substance may damage the fertility or the unborn child. In UK, many players use a version of anti-set-off spray powder from the printing industry. which has a specific electrostatic properties with particles of 50 micrometers in a diameter. The powder is made of pure food grade vegetable starch.